Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Range Rover Evoque. So from any screen, that's the home screen. If, for instance, you were on nav, you could either press phone or home and menu. Phone's the quickest one, but there's nothing paired at the moment, so it's saying please pair phone. If you click phone, search for new. So we make sure that Bluetooth is switched on. We're looking out at the bottom here, click search for new, vehicle to device, that generates a PIN number for you, so you only have to put it in one, whereas if you do it from device to vehicle, you have to put a PIN number in this one, and then you have to generate your own PIN number in this, and then click the PIN number in that. So it's easy doing it vehicle to device. Barry's iPhone 11, click. To pair and connect phone, enter 4925. 4925, pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Yep. Connecting to Barry's iPhone, Range Rover Evoque there, connected. Phone connected. So that's it. Real simple, easy system to use in the Range Rover.